In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring an image to the front in Canva. This is a really common task when you're designing anything in Canva, whether it's a social media post, a presentation, or a flyer. Sometimes you add a new image, shape, or text box, and it ends up hiding behind other elements. Instead of starting over, you just need to change the order of your layers so the right image appears on top. First, open your Canva design in the editor. You can do this from your recent designs or by creating a new design and adding a few elements so you can practice. Once your design is open, look at your canvas and find the image that you want to bring to the front. Click once on that image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border around it, along with small handles at the corners and sides. As soon as it's selected, a toolbar will appear along the top of the editor. This top toolbar is where Canva keeps most of the options for editing whatever you've selected. On that toolbar, look for the option labeled Position. Go ahead and click on Position. When you do, Canva will open a panel on the left side of your screen with several positioning settings. These controls are all about where your element sits on the page and how it's layered relative to other items. Within this panel, you'll see options related to layer order. Here, choose the option that says To Front. This tells Canva you want that selected image to sit above all the other elements in your design. After you click To Front, take a look back at your canvas. You should now see that your image has moved in front of any overlapping shapes, photos, or text. If something was covering it before, it should now be clearly visible on top. If you don't get the result you expect the first time, double check that you selected the correct image before clicking Position. You can always undo and try again. And remember, you can repeat this process with any element in your design whenever you need to adjust what appears in front. That's all there is to it. Select your image, click Position on the top toolbar, and choose To Front in the left panel to bring that image forward in Canva.